I'm hanging on the HangSmart no stud TV wall mount. And I'm still hanging. No studs. Into drywall. Yep. Still hanging.
As you can see, HangSmart can hold well over 150 pounds. For lab certification purposes, we claim 150. But let's be real, no TV on the market weighs 150 pounds, not even close. That being said, I myself weigh over 200 pounds and hung on this with no issues whatsoever. We are using a 1/2-inch drywall as we showed you previously. There are no studs. The nails go right into the drywall at a 45-degree angle, which is supported by our patented design. So if you're still asking yourself, okay, but like how? How does it hold? How does it work? It's simple, physics. When the nails go in at a 45-degree angle, it distributes the force along the length of the nail more efficiently. Shear force distribution, load transmission, and increased surface area. But I'm not gonna bore you with all the specifics behind science. Just know this. HangSmart is the leader and original no-stud TV wall mount. Our product is patented, lab-tested, and currently sold at major box stores, including Walmart. On Amazon, we earned the top spot for bestseller and Amazon's Choice month over month. We are currently featured on Forbes, Wired Magazine, QVC, and HSN. But the best part of all, we have hundreds of thousands of satisfied customers with thousands of 5-star reviews. Check it out for yourself. Grab a HangSmart today. No installer needed, fully DIY, very minimal wall damage, and it can be remounted multiple times. The best part, it saves you money. It won't disappoint. Grab your HangSmart today.